Alright everyone, this tutorial is about how to withdraw your airdrop from DOG. You click on deposit to exchange. If you are not seeing deposit to exchange, I think by now everyone should supposed to have been seeing it. But if you don't see yours, just get back. Then type start to your bot. So once you type start and click on open, so you will see it. You click on deposit to exchanges. So there are two options. There are three options. Out of that three options, only two are available right now, which is exchanges and the wallet. Click on exchange. If you want to use exchange, you continue. If you are from Nigeria, don't use OKS because OKS has packed their property from Nigeria. So any fund you send there, you are on your own. The only option now is Bybit as in Nigeria. So you can use Bybit. If you want to use Bybit, you click on it, you click on send here. If you have account, you go ahead. If you don't have account, you click on no, let's create it. So you create account. Yes, I have it. You input your Bybit UID, your DOG deposit address, and your memo. This is your Bybit UID. Let me open my own app. Once you are in Bybit app, you click on your profile. This is your UID at the top of your email. So you click on, you tap on that number and click on it. You copy that. As you can see, I've copied it. Then go and paste it here. The Bybit UID, you paste it there. And the DOG deposit address. So you get back. You click on assets. Click on deposit. Click on deposit crypto. You search for DOG. So you scroll down to check. This last DOG is the one that we want to withdraw from that Telegram bot. So you click on it. The network is done. Click on it. Okay. So you will be given two things. The address and this tag or memo. Sometimes it's used to call comment, note, or remark. So you need both because if you use only address and you didn't input tag or memo, so it's likely that you will lose your fund. So you copy your address first, go back to the bot, you paste it there. Your memo is the second number that we needed. So this one, you tap on it, copy it. So you copy it, then get back. So you paste it there. Then you click on send. Once you click on send, then your fund will be due, you will automatically be withdrawn to Bybit. But you have to wait till next day before you can see your airdrop. So that's it about Bybit version. And for the second version here, which is wallet in Telegram. Let's not forget. If you don't have verified account, make sure that you verify account before you withdraw your airdrop, because you will not be able to sell it if you don't verify your account. So make sure you verify. And for if you want to use wallet as well, wallet in Telegram. The wallet in Telegram is different from Townkeeper and something like that, because in Telegram there is two wallets there. The one with centralized and the one with decentralized. The one with centralized is the one that is integrated into Telegram itself, which you need ID for. But the one with decentralized is the one with ton space. If I get back now, go to my own wallet here, click on wallet. The centralized one is this one that you are seeing here. But once I click this ton space, this one that says ton space better, I click on it. Then that one is the DEX one. So that's why I said the two was integrated into Telegram. So this one is DEX, while the first one is centralized, which means this one have control, while this one does not have any control. So because if you don't have this accounts verified, you will not be able to sell your fund as well. So make sure that you verify. Or if you don't want to use Telegram, use Bybit or something like that. If you don't want to use any of the bots, so you can make sure that you wait for that 20, which is the listing day, before you'll be able to withdraw it to your non-custodial wallet, which is the decentralized like Tonkeeper, Hub, and everything like that. So because right now, this one is not available. They says available after the listing. So you have to wait before you can withdraw your own if you want to use Tonkeeper, Hub, and co like that. But for these exchanges and wallets in Telegram, right now, they are available and you can withdraw your fund there. So that whenever you want to trade, you can trade on that listing day. So that's everything about the withdrawal fee. So and as well, if you want to use exchange or wallet in Telegram, you don't need the gas fee. You only need gas fee if you want to use this third option, which is the not custodial wallet. So your option to choose. See you in the next one. Peace.